Hope you are all doing amazing. My name is Free and you are watching Budget with Free, and today I will be doing savings challenges. So if that sounds like something that you would like to watch, then please stick around. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you've been around a minute, thank you so much for tuning in again. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video that you're about to watch, hopefully. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. So like I said, today is savings challenges. Y'all know how much I love savings challenges. This will be my last savings challenge of the month. Because I don't get paid again until the 30th, and you're gonna see a major hit to my pay for next week, because as you know, I told you my daughter is trying out for all the high school cheer teams. There's 3 of them. She can qualify for 2. She's trying out for JV cheer, varsity cheer, as well as the high school competition team. And so she has an opportunity to either make it on JV or varsity, as well as the competition team. So we just got we had a parent meeting last night at the high school, and they gave us all the paperwork required, and she tries out next week. This week is all the clinics she's doing, and then next week are the actual tryouts, and they're gonna announce the teams next Thursday night. And they gave us a schedule of the fees, and sideline cheer is $1,200, with $700 of it being due before the end of May. They want it before the end of the school year because apparently they do start training in May for cheer, and they also send the girls to, I think, like a 3-day cheer camp. So that includes all that money. And then, of course, all the uniforms. The competition team is $1,800, and that does not include travel, as far as hotel stays and stuff. So you're gonna see me continue on my cheer journey with funding cheer. It's never gonna end, but I'm gonna have to probably skimp out on doing my my cash envelopes, not my cash envelopes, but stuffing my spending envelopes next paycheck, or I'm just gonna pick a few that I have to have, like my needs and medical and allowance, that type of thing, and then the rest is gonna go to fund this cheer because that money's due like ASAP. So that's my story. It continues. The saga never ends. So as you know, the hands and bands scratch offs that I do, every month I pick a fund for this money to go to. This month it's going to fund my final competition that my daughter has coming up the first weekend in May. So we're gonna continue that on until this will be the last one. After today, all that money will be transferred into that final competition, and then for next month we will be picking a new fund for the money to go to. So let's go ahead and start with this. Oh, and I do need change because all I had were hundreds. So I'm gonna actually pull, this is the money from the hands and bands scratch offs. So I'm gonna make some change, 20. So I need my dice. And we ended right here where this little strip of paper is. We're coming up on, so let's go ahead and roll. And I got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Advance go, add $10 to self-care. I'm gonna skip that. I don't need the money in self-care. So actually I'm gonna take the $10 and put it into the fund, and let's roll one more time. And we got a 1, which is Savings Avenue. And we'll need to scratch that off to see what we got. So Savings Avenue is $10. Okay, and then scratch, let me move my little token thing to Savings Avenue so we know where we left off. Scratch and ladders, we ended up on 9. So let's roll to see where we go. We got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're up here now. And let's scratch to see how much we have to pay for this one. And this is a 22. So we will take 20. And I don't have singles, but we do in this. So let's make change. Got 5 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to add $2 into our pile. Okay, and then we are done with this one. And let's go ahead and move on to our 1s, 5s, and 10s and see what we're adding here. And all these challenges are available through Hands and Bands. She has a YouTube channel and a website. So go check her out. All right, so $5. And I don't have a 5 in here, do I? No. All right, $5 for that one. And then this one is our $1,000 savings. And last time we got $15, so let's see what we get this time. And it's $10. So let's put a 20 and take 10. So let me see what this comes to, because I know approximately how much I need to finish funding my, let me drop my token, my cheer. So I want to just count her up and make sure I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 400, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 420, and if I grab, where did I put that? Hold please. Where is my cheer binder? Here it is. So if I grab cheer, I can quickly see to make sure I have enough for what I needed to fund on here. So I needed 500, but I had budgeted 300 for food. And since we are going to be eating a lot of meals inside, I think we're gonna be good. But just to make sure, oh yeah, we are good because I have 80 in here. So we needed 500 between food and entry into ESPN. So I'm going to, where's my highlighter? Oy, I'm having an avalanche. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this off. So we are good. The only thing I don't have on here is, so we'll see. Maybe I can squeeze it into my budget for my May budget when I get paid, but money to, I know my husband wants to go back to Disney, and because he hasn't been to Disney in a while, and he kind of got jealous that my daughter and I went last time. So he did want to go to the parks. So I might need some spending money, but I'm just happy to have the cheer part paid for. So we had paid, their 600 registration fees already paid. Hotel, I've already paid. And then we have gas, food, and entry into ESPN all here. This is 500. Nope. Yeah, 500. So we're good. So let's put this guy away and all the money. Oh, you know what? While I'm here, let me see. I know I had more change. 20, 40, 60, 81. So let's grab 100. And then let me see. 10, 15, 20, 5, 35, 45, 50. 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50. So actually 55, 60. And I'll take 3 20s. To make change. I feel like I'm all over the place and scattered today. Does it feel that way to you guys? I think I'm just still startled from all the money that I'm gonna have to come up with. And let me see, I'm sure I have ones along the way. I'm not worrying about it. Okay. Whew. All right. Take a breath. Take a breath. All right. So we are done with all of our scratching. Spring is in the air. I want to go ahead and finish this page. So we are going to go ahead and do this one for $3. This one for 10. And then this one here for 5. Okay. So that makes $10, $15, $18. So let me just take a 20. I'm sure I have 2 singles. Take out 2. So in our Spring is in the Air challenge, which we have completed this one, we should have $95. 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me recount. 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay, so we have 95. And that's for this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and also do the second page as well. So we still have to do this one. This is another $50 added. I'm gonna come back to these 3 because those are my expensive ones. I do want to, let's add $20 to emergency stash because I don't want to forget about doing that one. I'm making such good progress. So let's color one umbrella for $20. So now in our emergency savings, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 in the bank, 620. And then let's go ahead and do a mortgage payment. I need a blue. So I'm using this to fund my mom's maintenance on her condo, and each one of my houses represents $21. So let's add 20 and 1. And now in the 1 month ahead, we have 20, 40, 65, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, $84. So making progress in this binder. Christmas. Let me find my stickers. We're almost done with this one. Let's go ahead and do Let's do 17, 10, 15, 16, and 17. That one's right here. Okay, let's see, 10, ones, and fives. So in Christmas, we have 100 in the bank, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have $215 in Christmas, which is pretty darn good if you ask me. Okay, and then once we finish this one, I will be starting this one. That one day I had an extra 5, I threw it in there. Our Amazon, we're gonna just do one box. What color should I do? Let's do a brown. So I try and throw $5 a week into this fund, which is what we're gonna do today. So we're adding $5 into Amazon. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 100, 510. Etsy, let's go ahead and add $2 into this. Okay, we're adding $2 to Etsy. 20, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 into Etsy. And I will be right back. Okay, next one we are doing is our planner challenge. And I just need my stickers for that one. And they are hiding. Here they are. So for the planner challenge, let's go ahead and do 24, which is over here. So let's see if I can do a 25 possibly. And I can take $1 out. And let's see what we have in the planner challenge now. We have 100 in the bank. Then we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 200, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 207 in the planner challenge. This one, when we're done, we'll have 413. So safe to say we're halfway there. Rainy day is gonna have 500 when we're done. And rainy day, where are my stickers? Here they are. Let's go ahead and do, let's do 19, which is down here. We'll pull a 20. Let's see if we have a dollar. Which we do. So in our rainy day, we have 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 208. And this one will have 500 when we're done. This one is from the Mom Life Studio, Mom Life Studio. She is here on YouTube at the Mom Life, and as well as an Etsy store. 50 envelope challenge. We need to switch our binders. Let's go ahead and do $20. I need my stickers for this one. I should be more prepared with my stickers. Right here. So a 20. Yes, I still need labels. Okay, so in our 50 envelope, we have 20, 35, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, $58. Next one is always a favorite, roll the dice. Let's go ahead and do 4 of these. So we have 2 5s, 3 5s, and a 4. So let's go ahead and get to coloring. So we have 3 5s, we have 1 yellow, we have a purple, and we have a green. We're almost done with the 5s in this row, guys. That's awesome. And we have a red 4. So that's gonna be $15, $19, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we are going to roll these 3 again. Runaway dice. This one went off. So we have a 6, a 2, and a 2. So we have a green 6 and a yellow 2 and a purple 2. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's put the 20 in and take this 10 back. And let's roll our last 2. A 6 and a 1. So a purple 6 and a yellow 1. This one is from Lisa Grateful Me. She's here on YouTube, and she also has an Etsy store and makes the cutest savings challenges ever. I've been a customer of hers for a very long time already. All right, so we are adding 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $36 to roll the dice. Ooh, this envelope's getting fat. Okay, let's add our 5s and our 1s. So in roll the dice, we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. $154. Okay. donation, we're gonna go ahead and do this next box here. This is $1 we're adding. So now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We also have Mandala Money. Let's go ahead and do a 2 over here. Working our way through this guy. I'm gonna go back and fix all my coloring. And let's, oops, I didn't want to do red. Let's do purple. And let's do this other 2. This one's also from Lisa Grateful Me. Oh, and the donation one is from 40 Plus Life if you're interested. So that's $4. Let's see, let's add a 5. And take a 1 out. So that's 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, $31. Next one we're doing is our beautiful sun, and we are going to do, I'm going to come back to that. Let's go ahead and do 2 10s on this one.
Let's see. All right, our 10s we do red, purple, green, yellow, and orange. I know, but I would like to make them rainbow. So red, purple, green, yellow, and orange. And let's go purple down here. Okay, and then one more 10. So we'll do this one. Purple, green, yellow, and orange. Okay.
So that's our sweets challenge. 20. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110 in here. Okay. And then, let's see what I have left. 10, 15, 20, 5, 30. I did get 2 new ones from Lisa Loves to Budget. She had sent them to me to try. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a whirl. It's worth $5,000 if I can complete it. So let's go ahead and start it off. Let's put a 5 here. So they're just like little puzzle pieces. I still need to make an envelope for this, which I will do. She had reached out to me and said, you know what, I think you would have fun doing these. So I said, absolutely, I will give it a try. Anyways, she is here on, she's on Etsy. And again, it's Lisa Loves to Budget. And then the Zero Out Challenge, I'm gonna have to check my bank account and then I will get back to you. So give me a minute. Okay, so I am back and I went and checked the balance in my checking account. Now, from what I understand, at least I had asked Lisa to explain this to me. And from what I read in her email, I think she said, and Lisa, if you're watching this and I'm doing this wrong, please clarify and explain for me. But I think she said you take the last 3 digits of your account balance, which would be the dollar and the change, and then you round the change up or down to zero it out, and that's the amount you put in. I'm thinking I'm correct, but I don't know 100%, but that's what I'm going with. So the last 3 digits in my account were 801, so I would round that to $8. So again, Lisa, if I'm wrong, please correct me. So we're adding $8 and our balance will be $8 to start this off. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that's right, but we'll find out. Or maybe there's someone else out there doing the 0 challenge that may know, but that's what I'm going with. It sounds good to me. Again, I need to make an envelope for this one. So now one thing I did do while I was in break is I remembered I had money in the back of here, so I pulled that money. So I do want to, what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm going to finish this challenge, because then I can use this money as spending money for my my Orlando trip. Remember I said I had all the money except for spending, so I can actually use this money. So that's what makes sense right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So if I'm going to do this, let me see, purple and yellow. So let's go ahead and do these. Purple. $30, $40, $50 more. 10, 20, 5, 35, 45, 50. So 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 70. So that one is right here. So this one will be officially closed out. And let's just count everything up. These are all 5s, which go here. All right, so we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 5, 35, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So this totaled out to $180 for the Sweet Savings Challenge. So let's put right here, it totaled $180. And we are going to actually go ahead and put that right into cheer. And now this one is officially fully funded with spending money. $66, $67, $68, $69, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75, $76, $77, $78, $79, $80. So we have $680 to close out the cheer season. Okay. This is super stuffed now. So I'm done with that. I have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. And I think I didn't add anything to this guy. So let's go ahead and do a $5 flame here. Okay, so we'll add that to this one. $78, $79, $80. $80 in this one. excuse me. And this one will be $400 when it's done. And then we have $4 left. So let's see what we can do here. We can finish out our flower, I guess. So let's do a blue. $31, $32, $33, $34, $35. So we're up to $35, and this one will be $128 when we're done. So we got to tackle all these 5s on the outer edge. Didn't get a chance to do my Sweet 16 back to school and teeth challenge, but that's okay. We finished a couple. We finished the Sweets challenge today, and we finished our Spring into the Air challenge. So I'm happy with that. And we fully funded cheer. So all in all, it's been a good day. And that's all I have for you. So anyways, guys, that's what I have for you today. And I think that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you all for joining me. I will see you all in about a week. Actually, no, you know what? You guys will see me sooner, I think, because although I switched out all my challenges at the beginning of the month, I do want to go ahead and do an end of the month reconciliation and bill exchange type thing because I like doing that monthly. For me, I know a lot of people do it quarterly. I would rather see my progress monthly, but that's me. So you'll see one more video out of me probably this month, and then my next cash stuffing will be when I get paid on the 30th. So you'll probably see the video for it on the 1st, I would assume. So anyways, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Take care. Bye, guys.